Well, will you look at that? A 1950s vintage recipe box with Snoopy and the Peanut Gang on it. When I first saw this thing posted up on Facebook Marketplace for 45 bucks, I couldn't pass it up. Was it the most financially smart decision I could make? Absolutely not. And did I buy it? Yes, of course. I had to. This thing is so cool. It's just the perfect small little size to keep those recipe cards in. Or if you're like me and don't have any of those, you can use it for index cards, studying, whatever. But for now, it'll be a nice piece of decor to look at. The box is pretty sturdy. It's made of metal all around. It opens up. The inside is clean. There's hardly any dings or dents or corrosion rust going on, so it's in pretty good condition, and it's just such a really cool piece to have. So if you're like me and you like these really cool vintage Snoopy and Peanut Gang items, be sure and go over to my channel and check out the other items that I have. I kind of have a love of collecting these things. I don't know why. Something about them is just so cool and just such a unique piece of history to collect with all the different items that were made. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. If you could, check out the other videos that I have on the channel, see what I'm all about. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.